International Day of Forests, 21 March 2025. Theme. Look at these pictures. Forests and food. The International Day of Forest, observed on March 21, raises awareness about the importance of forests and promotes sustainable management, conservation and restoration of efforts. Each year it highlights a specific theme to encourage global action in protecting these vital ecosystems for future generations. Forests, pillars of global food security and nutrition, are the livelihood of millions of families. They provide essential foods such as fruits, seeds, roots, and wild meat, fundamental resources for indigenous and rural communities. But its function goes far beyond. Forests are vital source of energy, providing wood for cooking, playing a key role in agriculture by hosting pollinators and acting in soil enrichment, climate regulation, and biodiversity conservation. In addition, forest water seeds supply fresh water to more than 85% of the world major cities. In crisis situations, forests become an economic and food lifeline, providing up to 20% of family income in rural areas, guaranteeing healthy diet. But these ecosystems are in danger. We lost 10 million hectares annually due to deforestation and approximately 70 million hectares affected by fires. Protecting and restoring our forest is urgent and necessary. The well-being of the planet and future generations depending on them. How to future of food begins in the forests. Fostering the future of food through forests involves recognizing their crucial role in sustainable food systems and biodiversity conservation. Here are 10 ideas to consider. One, agroforestry practices. Promote and expand agroforestry system that integrate trees with crops and livestock, enhancing soil fertility and biodiversity while providing diverse food sources. 2. Wild harvesting. Encourage sustainable wild harvesting of forest products like nuts, berries, and mushrooms, which are nutritious and culturally significant. 3. Forest gardening. Support forest gardening techniques that mimic nutritional ecosystems, cultivating a variety of edible plants and trees. 4. Conservation agriculture. Advocate for practices like conservation agriculture that reduce deforestation and promote sustainable land management. 5. Carbon sequestration. Highlight the role of forests in carbon sequestration, mitigating climate change impact on agricultural productivity. 6. Biodiversity protection. Protect forest biodiversity to maintain resilient ecosystems that support pollinators, natural pest control, and genetic diversity of food crops. 7. Indigenous knowledge. Respect and integrate indigenous knowledge of forest, ecosystems, and traditional food systems into sustainable agriculture practices. 8. Policy support. Advocate for policies that prioritize forest conservation, sustainable land use, and support for small scale farmers and indigenous communities. 9. Research and innovation. Invest in research and innovation to develop sustainable food production technologies and practices that incorporate forest ecosystems. 10. Education and awareness. Raise awareness among consumers and policymakers about the importance of forest for food security, biodiversity, and climate resilience. These ideas illustrate how forests can play a pivotal role in shaping a sustainable future for food production and ecosystem health. Thank you. Have a happy International Day of Forest.